does this ensure that Iran was not preparing the bombs that US says? They were just the facilities enriching it, using it for peaceful purpose, and as soon as they got the news, they removed it, and seriously, they don't have any, that weapons of mass destruction which we heard previously in Iraq as well, and now Israel and US are claiming about Iran as well.
Iranian officials have time and again stressed that Iran's nuclear program is completely peaceful. Iran is not after nuclear bombs. Iran's leader, Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Khamenei, has reiterated that building a nuclear weapon is banned, haram. And he has said that Iran does not need nuclear weapons because nuclear weapons pose a danger not only to people in the region, but also to the world. So the Islamic Republic's doctrine is based on developing a nuclear program only for peaceful purposes. Iran has never pursued any plans to develop a nuclear weapon. The US and Israel claim that Iran is seeking nuclear weapons are just aimed at demonizing Iran and launching propaganda against Iran. As you know, the United States and Israel use such claims to dictate their policies in the region. They just want to expand their hegemony, and they are just, seeking excuses to justify their military operations.
Right.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।